the Scorpion, the most powerful and versatile of the Rotabroach heavy-duty range. The 3-Morse taper arbor facilitates the massive drilling capacity of 100 mm diameter by 100 mm depth of cut. This machine will also countersink up to 100 mm, tap up to M30 and allows the use of twist drills up to 31 mm. Electronic speed control and manual torque control ensure optimum cutting performance and increased cutter life. All protected by first-class safety features. The outstanding design of this machine make it a must for any workshop.